Good morning, friends. I am Dr. A. Kulkarni. We will see human resource management. In earlier lectures, we have seen the concept of human capital, concept of human resource management, the difference between human resource management and personal management. In this lecture, we will see the objectives of human resource management as well as the importance of human resource management. So the first objective of human resource management is to help the organization to reach its goal. Modern organizations require talented people, talented workforce, because the new concept of human intelligence has been evolved in this new era. Therefore, in every organization, it becomes necessary to fulfill the posts, the required workforce with efficient people, talented people, knowledgeable people, etc. Therefore, the main motto of or main objective of human resource management is to achieve the goals. Second one is to employ skill and abilities of the workforce efficiently. You have to select proper people, proper personnels on proper places. You have to give them skills. You have to motivate them properly and use their talent very efficiently. That is the main objectives of human resource management. Third one is to provide organization with well trained and well motivated employees. Employees become the heart of every organization. Therefore, you have to retain the employees. Retaining the employees became major problem before the new companies. So, giving motivation, giving training, fulfilling their demands, well mannered behavior, we may say, is necessary, and it should be main objectives of human resource management. The fourth one is to increase employee job satisfaction and self actualization. Self actualization is most important thing. The modern workers are intellectual workers. The modern job seekers are intellectual. They have their own degrees. They are very skilled professionals. Therefore, you have to give them job satisfaction in your organization, as well as they should be self actualized. That is, they should use their brains properly. You should not restrict on their talents, on their brains, and use their brains for organizations. Another one is to develop and maintain quality work life. The work life or work culture is most important thing in modern times. The maintaining proper work culture within the organization, outside the organization, is most important thing, and you have to keep the relations of these types. Another one is to communicate HR policies to all employees. In earlier times, there was a method that giving orders to the employees, and whatever orders should be given, they are fixed. The employee is not using his head at all. But now there is a change in that policy also, in that environment also. You have to communicate your HR policies, human resource policies, all the policies of the organization with the employees. That is most necessary thing. Another one is to be ethically and socially responsive to the needs of society. that is most important aspect in modern before the modern organizations. You should respect the society. You should do something for the society, and your personnel, your workers, or your resources should be responsible personnels of the society. That is your responsibility, that is the responsibility of the organization, or that's the responsibility of management. Another one is to provide an opportunity for expression and voice management. That is the most important aspect in modern times. Voice management means nothing else, that is hearing the people, hearing from the people. There should be express the workers, or we may say personals, human resources, they should express themselves with the management, with the concerned people, with their bosses, and demand something. Whenever they ask, you should hear, you should have to hear their requirements, their needs, and you should discuss with them. That is most important aspect. In earlier times, it does not happening, it was not happening at all, because there was a structure that you should follow, only follow the orders, following the orders, just like military system. You should follow, you should not use your head, or you should not think at all. That was the earlier method. But modern method, in case of human resource management, there is a lot of change in this policy, and you should have to express accept the expressions of the employees. Next one is to provide fair, acceptable, and efficient leadership. That is most important aspect. You should lead them, but your leadership should be fair one. It should be acceptable to all, and you must be efficient. And last objective is to establish sound organization structure and desirable working relationship. The organization structure should be sound one, proper one, and there should be proper work culture. So these are the some objectives of human resource management. While developing proper human resource management, you should fulfill all the objectives that is most necessary for this development of that organization. In next lecture, we will see the importance of human resource management. Thank you.